Alright, let's do a quick video here for the Fibonacci traps. Today is June 25th. So as always, no hindsight. We do our planning in the pre-market, so there's absolutely zero hindsight, and we know what to do when the market is open during RTH. We can turn our brain off and execute the false breakdown Fibonacci trap methodology. So the overnight lows are 61.38 to 61.41 with a core support structure at 61.43.75. Be watching the false breakdown here. Let's head back to the chart. As you can see, we ended up slicing right below the overnight lows, which is right here, 61.38 to 61.41. As soon as we sliced below the low at 1:30 p.m., we ended up recovering above. This wick right here is giving you the visual clue that sellers can potentially be trapped. We want to trade against the trap sellers whenever we're taking a Fibonacci trap via a false breakdown, right? So when you get this wick to occur and then you get recovery above 61.38, we're looking to draw the fib for execution. Let's head over to the 5-minute chart and take a look at the Fibonacci itself. So this is what we call the opposing leg, right? But I like to call it the Fibonacci trap because we're using the false breakdown. We're using the overnight lows as our structure to take advantage of trap traders. So when we draw the low to high like this, we just want to take entry as close to the false breakdown lows as possible. So the 0.382 and the 0.5, 61.37, 61.39 were those retracements to look for entry. Via a limit order, we're getting retracement into the false breakdown itself. Let's say you entered off the 0.382, 61.39 with your stop loss behind the low. You hit your 1R fairly quickly after a little bit of chop though, but it doesn't matter if the market wants to chop out or not, because with the power of futures, there's no options decay. So regardless of how long it takes to get to my 1R target, if I hit my 1R target, I'm getting my 1R return no matter what. So we ended up chopping out within the Fibonacci trap itself, but notice how we never cross back below the low. This is exactly what we want to see with every single Fibonacci trap entry, and then we get bulls to recover above 61.43 and we hit our 1R target. That's the Fibonacci trap for today. The range is extremely small, so the fact that the Fibonacci trap is still paying is great, right? The range itself is not producing anything extraordinary. We're not breaking down anything. We're not breaking out anything. So playing these traps can really help guide us with good risk to reward. So if you want a one-on-one session with me, please email rich@tradingwars.com. And I'm very grateful for everybody for being interactive today in the new Fibonacci Traps channel in the SPY VIP. I'm really excited to see how far this new setup goes, and we will just continue to improve the edge as always. Enjoy the rest of your day.